Hey, guys! Today, how to use Hum to search a song on YouTube mobile. Let's learn. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use this new feature on YouTube mobile that allows you guys to just hum in order for you to search for a specific song that you're looking for. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to accomplish this, is to make sure that we are using the latest version of YouTube. So go ahead and launch the app stores and search for the YouTube obligation, and make sure that you were updated to the latest version. Once we're there, open the application, and then what I want you to do from here is to choose. Rather go onto the search bars on the top, and then tap on search. I want you to go ahead and tap on the mic icon over here, and those will actually allow you guys to speak and also hum the specific song that you'd like to go ahead and search for. And of course, it will actually give you results of what specific song that you are trying to hum. So go ahead and try this out yourselves, guys. And thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.